just clearing mid-on. He was looking for the pull, didn't quite time it. In the air, taken. Tanvir strikes in his first over once again.
Because you won't contain them. Excellent catch taken there by Yunus Khan, one of the better Pakistan fielders.
That's in the air past the man at short fine leg. Was a good delivery. That's cracked off the back foot. Placement is good. He goes again. Takes the area route. One bounce over the rope. Too much width in this over. Second boundary for Gilchrist. Runs on the onside. It's a quick outfield. He's timed it beautifully, Gilchrist. And a good piece of fielding on the boundary.
And he was going to go back for a third, but in fact that's four.
Just the single. Would have spotted this man there. That's in the air, should be taken. This is a big wicket. Another wicket for the young man. That's a tremendous blow. That's why he sent out a number 4. One bounce over the rope. First boundary for Simons, 42 for 2.
So bright sun here, and here he is, the mystery element for Pakistan. That's not a mystery, that's going to go straight to the boundary cushions for 4. Oh, they're going for a quick single here. That could have been a bit dicey. Direct hit might have been very precarious for Andrew Simons. That is a very big muscular blow from Simons. He's a brute at times. Over the top, over extra this time. He's got it through those 2 men behind square. Afridi won't be happy with that. And it's gone away for 4. He's not going to be pleased with that. Oh, nicely played. That's going to run away for 4. That's an expensive over to start from Afridi. 13 runs coming from it. It's 71 for 2 from 7. That is such a big bat, and such a lot of power goes through the hands from Andrew Simons. Right now, Pakistan...
As we continue playing the best cricket we can play, I think building partnerships is obviously what we're trying to... Oh, drop catch there, Slates.
Drop chance. That's handy.
Yeah, I think, you know, guys like myself, Huss, things like that, the key is to...
It's going to go upstairs, this one. Kamran Akmal is very confident that he's got the Australian skipper. I'm not so sure.
Dragged his back leg out. The back leg was on the line. Part of it is behind the line.
Oh, Ricky Ponting, you are a lucky man. Bowled him. What an over this is.
Yes. Got him, he's bowled him. Ricky Ponting looking to heave it over the onside. Mohammad Hafiz gets straight through him. So 4 down now for 92. 2 is the call. It might be 4. It's down the hill on that side. Nicely done. He wanted 2, he got 4. 99 for 4. Swing and a miss. Good delivery. Length delivery. Pull out. Oh, had to dive. Had he hit, it would have been pretty close. Shahid Afridi is the fielder. Shot. Very good shot. Right in the gap. Just had to beat the man in the circle who's at mid-wicket. It was short. Easy was the call. Oh, they've gone for the second. Will they get back? Oh, direct hit from the deep. This will be very, very close.
It was a poor bit of fielding in the infield, but he's home. He was fully extended.
It's a good shot, as nobody on the other side of Afridi is targeting the boundary behind him and gets it.
End of this innings. There he goes. Straight 6. Magnificent hit.
Yes, it made it look easy. That's excellent placement from Hodge. Despairing drive, but he will get the boundary. This is good batting from Michael Hussey. That's a terrific shot again.
Batsman.
That's a good strike, but unfortunately for Hussey, he's found the man in the deep. Just went. Goes for the single, direct hit. And once again, it's Afridi. Hits the stump so often.
Michael Clark short of the crease because of that brilliant direct hit from Shahid Afridi.
That's in the air. Yunus Khan is a good fielder. He makes no mistake. And when you bowl full. Continuing. Final ball of the innings. We'll get only one. They'll come back for the second. No. So good finish for Pakistan here. They've not allowed Australia to get away, and in the end restricted them to 164 for 7. That's a good shot. It's a quick outfield and the first boundary of the Pakistan innings. And he's away. Good placement.
To operate well against Australia.
That's 6. A cracking blow from Imran Nazir. He goes for the pole, and this time it's 6 again. Hafiz getting into the act this time. And that's well struck, down the ground for 4. And a nice way to end the over. 10 runs coming off it, 25 for no loss. That's up in the air, should be taken. Mitchell Johnson getting underneath it and takes it comfortably. That's in the air, taken again. They don't miss too many, the Australians. 2 wickets in the over for Stuart Clark. Yunus Khan off the mark with a boundary. So working it around the corner. It's 31 for 2. That's in the air, and another wicket goes down. He's having a field day, Stuart Clark.
It's a good-looking shot. Classic shot, this one. Cover drive. Oh, it's a lovely stroke. Doesn't matter that it's 2020. You can see that in a test match. That's a super shot for 4. That's worth a shout. That's worth a shout, and that's the reason why. That finger goes up, and Johnson's taken another wicket.
Bounces a little bit. That one's in the air. It'll be one bounce. Brett Lee, it was a big effort, but he couldn't get there.
Oh, that's heavy. That's a useful blow. Captains are certainly in the middle, and he's announcing his intentions. Lofted handsomely. 2 rows back into the stands, and that's a 6. Bowlers don't enjoy that.
That's well struck. That's 4. He goes again and clears long off. Towards the end of the innings. Catch! Bang again. Down the ground for another boundary. This is good batting. And here it comes. 1 bounce over the rope. Made it look easy, Misbah. He got himself. And that's well played. Very intentional. That's cracked away on the offside. And good work in the deep. That's 4. Knew exactly what he was doing. And targets him with the reverse sweep, gets 4. This is excellent cricket.
With that shot, being able to change the feet. That shows you how fast this outfield is. Once again, the placement was the important thing.
Come back for 2, getting the runs easily at 10 off the first 3 balls. The pressure on Australia. Again, good placement. Split the 2 fielders in the outfield.
It's a full toss, low full toss. So it was Brett Lee searching for that Yorker, trying to sneak it under the bat. And there's a 50.
There's 25 more required.
Oh, Brett Lee going at the stumps. The batsman in the way. No malice there. He's going for a run out. You can understand why he threw it, but it's hit him on the back of the shoe. It wouldn't have tickled. It was a solid throw from Brett Lee.
Taking his frustration out on Shoaib Malik. He wants to get rid of him, but I'm sure not in this fashion.
No balls. That'll be a free hit after this. A bit of ordinary fielding by Australia. And this is normally when they're so good, they'll keep it together, they understand. Slower ball, swing and a miss. 143 for 4. Straight down the ground, that's a glorious stroke. Is it going to get there? Oh, a real pressure relief, or release for Pakistan. They are way on top here at the Wanderers. There's the dugout. Make it a lot easier. Then you'll see some huge totals from them. Another single and a 50. It's gone high, it's gone long. It is a catch, but it's for the spectators. What a shot. And Pakistan, and almost guarantee them, well, it will guarantee them a semi-final berth, this victory. Oh, he scores the level. Bouncer. Commander Symes, that should be a wide. There's the match to Pakistan. Well played.
Well, they've caused a big upset. Result an upset dummy as well, because this wasn't expected. Great victory. 8 wins. First one against Sri Lanka and now against Australia.